Hey, this is Chris. We're looking at here is a grizzly gold utility road or pathway. And one of the things here is common to many decomposed granite pathways, and that is, in this case, you have this low spot here that's soaking up with water. Now, decomposed granite, you can walk through this without having muddy footprints. Sure, a small amount of material will stick to your feet, but not the way it would if it was crushed rock fines or plain topsoil. What could have been done to prevent this was to put more of a rise here. This is dropping down and it's probably compacting more and more because it's so wet and there's a lot of traffic here. A greater rise should have been put here. The next question again was, how about if I put a stabilizer there? Well, all stabilizers are water soluble, so as soon as this got wet, the stabilizer would be useless. So this low spot, best adjusted by raising the grade here about 2 inches. But after you get past the dampness, you see that the dry material forms this beautiful gold color. And I can tell you, the Grizzly Gold DG from Montana is the most radiant, sparkling, decomposed granite material I've ever seen. Far and away the most beautiful DG material. And you can see it's an appropriate width for bringing utility carts or several people walking together in a group. So it's very well thought out in width. And the edging material that they chose to use is steel edging. So Montana Grizzly Gold DG, steel edging, and a phenomenal result.